What's up, boat friends? Duluth, Minnesota. Now this is a first for me, so grab your life vest, jump on board the boat. We have over here the Mesabi Miner, 1,004-foot beast, and I gotta tell you, I was not even planning to come out to record this ship. I was just out there checking it out on my own, and what ended up happening, I was right outside of the piers in the ship canal, and when the Mesabi Miner blasted that horn, I could tell something was wrong. It got stuck for like 3 or 4 minutes. So I'm gonna bring you out on the lake right now where this all started to unfold when I'm outside those piers. Wait till you see this. We're gonna follow it through the bridge with that horn stuck. This is pretty funny. Check it out. Mesabi Miner has a stuck horn. Check this out. Just out here. Really wasn't recording, and they went to go blast that horn, and you can hear what's going on. Take a look at the crowd that's out here on the pier. It's about 8:53 a.m. and that horn is still going. We're gonna roll with it. See how long it takes for them to cut the power to it, probably, because it is an air horn. You see the Mesabi Miner making that pivot. Well, if the people in the neighborhood over here on Park Point are staying at these hotels, we're not up, they got an awesome wake-up call. What's funny is I think a lot of people over here that have never seen the ship probably are wondering, is that normal? Still got that blast going. Took a look at the decibel meter, so I'm a little further away. It's 96.1, but I'm sure closer up, we're well into the hundreds. There we go. They finally cut the power. Oh, there you go, boat friends, the stuck horn. And what's funny is the aerial lift bridge operator did answer back. That was pretty wild. Well, there you go, Duluth, Minnesota, Mesabi Miner. If you enjoyed seeing this big ship, and especially that stuck horn, please hit the like button on the way out. It'll help people that love the ships to find the channel, and also subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Be part of the Boat Friends community. We'll go on many adventures moving forward. Stay safe. Take care. I will see you soon.